What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Living in Arizona, and today we're going to take a look at the Arizona housing market. I'm going to show you around a community because what better way to illustrate this than by physical proof of just how strong this housing market is currently in early 2019. So, I've had some people ask me about the housing market in Phoenix. And they're asking, is the housing market strong? Is it picking up? Is it slowing down? And what I decided to do here was take you for a walk through a brand new community that's being built in the Southeast Valley out by Queen Creek and show you how much growth is still happening in this one community right here. So you can see there's some action here on this house that's just been built, and they're getting ready to close on that. This is a brand new community. Most of the houses around here have already been sold or have people living in them or going through the process of closing. You can see this one here, it says sold. So what I'm going to do is show you around. These houses went up within the last month or so. People moved in, and because they were so successful at closing on these houses, they just keep them coming. And I'm going to take you down here to where they're building more houses, show you just how much activity is really going on out here. And you can see they just build them and turn them over, just constantly building. Got houses. This is a brand new street here. You can see at the very end, we've got houses being built. We've got these houses here being built. Getting ready for stucco on them. It's lunchtime out here, so got my dog for a walk here. But I mean, when the economy was going south, even in December, I was like, this makes no sense. People are talking about recession, but these builders are so confident, they just keep throwing up more and more houses. You can see right here, look at this. Look at this job site here. Lots of action. I mean, the building just continues. I mean, this constant growth. Look at them. Look how many they build at a time. This is 6 houses all under construction at one time. I mean, I've come out here at 10 o'clock in the morning and it sounded like a mariachi band out here. There was so many workers. It was like a big work party. You can see they've got, 4 guys on that house right there, 4 carpenters alone. And then, so they're building that. They've cleared this now for a concrete pour. So it's like never-ending development, right? This side over here, you can see they've got development going on this side. So if the housing market wasn't strong, why would this community and many others just like this be so aggressive with building? So in my opinion, the Arizona housing market is still strong, and the builders have enough confidence to just keep plopping them up because they are selling. Maybe one or two of the houses aren't filled, but each street has full tenants or is fully occupied. As a matter of fact, that's what we'll do is we'll walk over here and take a look at these other houses that are just now closing where people are moving in, right? But over here, you can see they just laid the pavement for this community over here. You know, fresh pavement, fresh fiber optics been laid. You know, good. Red Mountain over there, Santan Mountains over there. You can see here sold. I don't know, can you guys see that? So house under construction, says sold. Probably going to be completed this month here in January 2018. I'm not seeing a sold sign outside of this one, but I see a sold sign outside of this one. You know, these houses, some of them have bigger yards than others. So if a big yard is something that's important to you, you might want to confirm that. Let's see. This one has a sold sign right outside it. It's just been knocked down. So, sold. All four of these homes are sold already, or 5 of them. They've all been sold. So, and then these houses are fresh to move into right here. We've got another house right over here. This person's moving in, sold, welcome home. Put that sign up when someone's moving in. So they're able to sell them as fast as they're able to build them. So then they just keep building them. Here you have brand new street. Like, this street is hot off the press. Doesn't get any more new than this, right? And the houses that are completed but not moved into have sold signs outside of them. So this one says sold, 2-story. This one's available. That one's the first available one. So it's already built and it's available. If there was a lot of those, I'd be concerned. But you can see these are already moved into, sold. So all these have homeowners. You can see the cars already in there. So what are you guys' thoughts on all this? This one's got a homeowner but no car in it. You can see it's got a sign out front. It's also Mondays, so some people are at work. But yeah, just this community here, for each one of these, there's many others just like this. Meaning that this is not the only community that's aggressively building. I would say if there was one style of house that is not filling up and selling, it's the 2-stories. The 1-stories are selling faster, at a faster rate than the 2-stories. See, that one's available. It says owned from around $18.49 a month. Now bear in mind that doesn't include the homeowner's fees. And this one, another 2-story. So the 1-story is, if you just go around here and count which ones are available, there's one 1-story available on this road and 2 2-stories that are available. these two. So the 1-stories, there's more 1-stories on the road than there are 2-stories, but there's more 2-stories available. So hope this puts things into perspective for you about how the housing market in Arizona looks right now. As of January 2018, it appears to be still pretty strong. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, please do subscribe to Living in Arizona, and like the video if you liked it. That helps get the video out there and keep this channel growing. Sorry about that. My dog just did a silly thing. It's supposed to rain tonight, so even though it's raining, it's about 64 degrees right now. Or even though it's supposed to rain, it's still 64 degrees, which is pretty cool, right? But it's only Arizona cool for January. Oh, anyways, sorry about that, guys. My thing here has lost its calibration. It's an Osmo Pocket. For those of you who are wondering, DJI Osmo Pocket.